Hi guys, this is Anurag from InfoCreo, and we used to try to bring lot of new innovative videos regarding the product review. What we are going to get inside this one. So here lot of accessories and all we have. So let's see what we will have, and the actual, this is the main item which we are going to get inside this one. Wow, I like this color, and it's very nice. Build quality is very good. Let's see. Yeah, so the build quality of this product is definitely very nice. So that we are going to get some more accessories and all. So going to get different kind of dialing power, so which we can control through these knobs, and this is the on off switch. Apart from that, here we will see we are also going to get extension wire, which we can extend up to more than, I think, say 10 feet. Let's see what accessories we are going to get. So it will take time. There's lots of accessories and all we are having here. So lot of different kind of brush accessories for the wet and dry items we are having. So let's see what are the things we are going to get. Wow. So almost we are having more than, I think, 13-14 different items, and also one more extension rubber also. So this extension rubber also we are going to get. Let's see. So in the market you will find lot of other products for this vacuum cleaner. So why to choose this one? Major things we found out, like in this product, the suction power, and also it has the blower capability, and also along with that it has also like wet cleaning and all, that is also possible in this one. So other product of little similar to this one, like we can find out in the price range of around 4,000 to 10,000. We have got the manual. Let's see what we are going to get in the manual. So I'll recommend you people to go through this manual, so that you can also get a lot of other details which we are not going to cover, at least here. It is a 1300 watt vacuum cleaner, so which will have the suction power, which is the major suction power here. 23 mm of WC, that is the suction power, and the blower power also it has the 1400 LPM. And this all together, the weight of this product, it is 6.75 kg. And other things are the dimension we can find out, like it's more than around close to 1.5 feet height, and hardly like less than 1 feet diameter. And one of the good thing is, like, the dust capacity of this one is around 8 liter of the dust. So 8 liter of the dust capacity is quite enough, so that maybe after a week and all you'll have to clean. And so in the accessories wise, let's see what are the accessories we are going to get. So there are a lot of different accessories. These accessories generally where we will find a nice blade. These are generally used for the wet cleaning and all. There is small wet cleaning also. So for the different kind of brush cleaning and all, we have the brush. So the mat and other thing also, it can be cleaned. Yeah, so we are also going to get two major accessories. So one of the thing, if you find this is used for the wet cleaning and all. So for the wet cleaning and all, I'll tell you like how to assemble this one. And along with that one, we are also going to get this very long pipe which can be used to connect in this place. So these two pipes, if you'll see, this is almost more than 10 feet long, and it can be used. So the connecting portion, if you see, these are the place which we can connect. One of the place is used for the suction and another one is for the blower purpose, because this machine supports both the wet cleaning as well as the dry cleaning. So let's unbox this one and to see what we are going to get inside. If you'll see here inside this one, we are having a good dust bag here, which will keep below this dust bag. Actually the dust used to get deposited here. So, and if you'll see, come here, this is a Hepa filter we are having. So this is used for the purpose of for the dry cleaning. For the dry cleaning, we are going to use this Hepa filter. And if you are going to open, let's say if you want to use the wet cleaning and all, so simply we need to remove this one. Just see, this is the Hepa filter which we are going to remove. It's very simple. It's we are going to detach this one, and so this is another filter which is the wet filter for the wet kind of cleaning. Let's say the tea, coffee or any other liquid are dropped that you want to clean and all. So before, be careful, don't use this dry filter here, that is for the normal without wet cleaning and all. So for the wet filter we are having another filter. So this filter you will get here foam which we need to cover on top of this one, and instead of this Hepa filter we are going to replace this one in this same notch here. So once it is done and all, simply we can lock it here in this way, and then we can go for the wet cleaning. Let's do some real test and all, like how much power it has and how we can go for that. So this is the dust in front of us. We are going to switch on and we'll show you like how much power it has, how we can clean this one. So okay, here is the on switch, and you see here. So for a fine cleaning of the floor and all, we can use the other brush which are having the brush. So this is the floor cleaning brush. So with the help of this floor cleaning brush, let's see how the performance. So slightly some kind of dust and all is still remaining here. So that will see like how much is the performance of this one. These kind of brush and all which we can use for the mat cleaning and all. I have 800 ml water in this bottle. So let's see how much suction power it has in the performance wise. So along with this 11 feet pipe, we are also having some other attachment. These three different attachments are there. So these three, with the help of this three attachment, if you see, we can clean any kind of thing in any distance and all very easily and all this kind of cleaning and all very much possible. And so for the fan cleaning and all, also it's the same possible. Some kind of dust and all, easily we can clean with the help of this one. So one more attachment we have, this is the carpet brush attachment. This carpet brush, with the help of this one, we can easily clean the carpet. So with the help of this, I'll show you some demo of like how it can be. Easily we can clean any kind of dust and all very easily. So one more good thing is that the major accessories and all which we are going to use, it has a inbuilt placeholder for all those accessories and all. So major accessories which we are going to use, at least we are having here 4 different places to keep those accessories, so that you do not have to unbox and take these accessories each time and everything. So overall, what I'll recommend, like this is one of the best product because of this suction power it has, and also the kind of attachment with the help of which one easily we can clean not only the dry as well as the wet cleaning also. So definitely I'll recommend this product, that is WDX2 from the Eureka Forbes. If you like this video, so like and subscribe, and also comment below and share this with other your friends so that they can also get benefited from this one. So this is the Anurag from the InfoCreo and signing off, and we will definitely come up with such more new videos and all. So once again, do like and subscribe and comment below.